Hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel that is all in one corner. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about the L&T GET recruitment. So friends, two to 3 days before I got a mail regarding booking slots. So many of us candidates has a doubt that they didn't receive any mail regarding this. So friends, wait, because your exam will be scheduled between 21st July to 24th July. So wait some days, you will surely get your mail. Okay, so before starting, if you are new to the channel and have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So we will discuss. So this is the mail that got I yesterday about the mock assessment credentials. So this is the L&T GET, that is graduate engineer training 2022 recruitment drive. So this you can see that with reference to the email dated on 15th of July regarding the L&T GET recruitment 2022, you have been invited to take the GET mock assessment for L&T on the L&T edutech platform. So in previous mail they have mentioned that your mock assessment will be on 15th of July, but the mock assessment will be on the 17th of July. You can see the assessment details. That means assessment name is GET mock assessment, start date is 17th of July, that means tomorrow, and the start time is 12 p.m. and end time is 12:30 p.m. and the assessment duration is of 30 minutes. So the login button will be valid on the 17th of July from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, so you can log in between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. The duration is of the 30 minutes. Okay, so post which after 1 p.m. the access to assessment will be blocked. So before you proceed to take the assessment, kindly check the system compatibility to make sure the system is compatible to take the assessment. So before that, check your system that your system is compatible or not, because you have to check your the mock assessment will be for your system readiness, because the actual assessment and mock assessment pattern will be different. So click on the blue lines to check your system compatibility, and if your system fails compatibility assessment, then kindly arrange another system and then check the compatibility of the system as well before starting with the assessment. So check your system, and if your system fails compatibility assessment, then kindly please arrange another system so that you can give actual assessment and mock assessment as well. So note, this is an internet based assessment, so please ensure that you have a stable internet connection with no restrictions enabled, and the assessment can only be taken using Google Chrome. So friends, this is the internet based, so please make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and after that the assessment only can be taken using Google Chrome only. So Firefox, Opera, other search engines will not be allowed, so only Google Chrome is allowed. For Windows and for Mac OS also Google Chrome is allowed. So if Google Chrome is not the default browser on your system, copy the assessment URL and paste it directly into the Google Chrome address bar. So that means if your default browser is another like Opera, Mozilla Firefox, then kindly copy the assessment URL and paste in the Chrome, so that link will be active. So after that, carefully enter the username and password as provided in the email. Please avoid copying and pasting the information. If you are unable to log in the assessment after logging in, please clear your cache and try again. If the problem persists, open an incognito Google Chrome window and paste the URL into it. So after logging in, if you are unable to log in the assessment, so please clear your cache, and if the problem is continued, so open an incognito Google Chrome and paste the URL into it. If you cannot share your screen, check for pop-up blockers, check for webcam and microphone permissions from the browser. Complete the assessment once started without a break. So there is no break between the assessment. Complete the assessment in once. assessment will run only on laptop or desktop with working camera and microphone. So one of my subscriber asked me question that is the assessment will be taken into PC or mobile. So here is a mention that assessment will run only on a desktop or laptop, and there must be working camera and microphone. So you need to always have stable internet connection and bandwidth during the assessment duration. So you can refer to this link for all assessment taking instruction and system requirements. So if you want to check your instructions and system requirements, you can click here. And here is also highlighted that kindly note that this is the only mock assessment, and the scores obtained by you in the mock assessment will not be considered for your selection. So as I mentioned in a previous video, this is a mock assessment, and the scores obtained this mock assessment will not be considered for your selection. This is only for your system readiness. Okay, so friends, if you got this mail, please start your preparation for the main actual assessment and give your mock assessment too. So thank you.